Okay, today I will show you how to integrate the Cisco Unity Connection CUC to Cucm, because the CUC will function along with the Cucm. So we will use zip trunk to connect both devices. And for your information, what is Unity Connection, what it does? So Cisco Unity Connection can do like the voicemail. You can create the voicemails, and also you can configure the auto attendant. So for example, you call in some company, it will says if you want to go to the support, press 1. If you want to go to the sales, press 2. These settings is being configured on Cisco Unity Connection. So here are the things that we will configure. On the Cucm side, we will create a SIP security, SIP profile, SIP trunk, configuration, configure the voicemail pilot, the route pattern, and create voicemail profile. For the CUC, we will create a phone system, we will create a port group, and we will create a port. Okay. We will jump to the call manager first. Okay, we're here now at call manager. We'll create a security profile. You will go to system, security, SIP security profile, and then click find. Then we will copy this non-secure. Okay. Then we will modify it CUCM to CUC SIP security profile. Every time I create some names, I'm putting like this so that I can easy to remember. Okay, then we will need to check these 3: accept out of dialing refer, accept unsolicited, and accept replace. This is needed for our CUC. And then after this, we need to save. Okay, next we will go to create a SIP profile. So you go to device settings, and then SIP profile. Okay, and then we'll click find, and then we will copy the standard one. I'll copy it and then change it to CUCM to CUC SIP profile, something like this. And then we will leave all the settings except we need to activate this SIP option thing so that we can see if it is connected the SIP trunk, and then click save. Okay, next we will create the SIP trunk. So I will click save, then go to device, trunk, find, and then we will create new one. So we'll select SIP trunk, then next, and then we'll name it as SIP trunk to CUC. I will just put like this. Okay, and then we need to check the, I call this one default. This one we need to check this one on all active. This is a Cisco default thing. For device pool, I will just select IP phone device pool. Okay, for Location I will use Jubail. I will use the Jubail common device config, and then for inbound calls I need to check this redirecting diversion header delivery. Then we will go to outbound calls. We need to check also this one, redirecting diversion header delivery outbound. Then the next thing is the IP address of the Cisco Unity connection, 10.7.12.12. Then for the SIP security profile, we will use CUC, this one, calling search space internal. SIP profile, we'll use this one, and then we will click save. Okay, we'll click reset, and then close. Okay, so the next thing we'll create the voice pilot number. Okay, we'll go to voicemail, then mail pilot. Then we'll click add new. The number, we'll just put it 2222. Then Jubail internal space, we'll just put PM pilot. Then we need to check this, make this default, then click save. I'll save it again just to make sure. Okay, next we'll create the voicemail profile. So we'll click find and then add new, and then BM this profile. I'll just put like this, and then we will choose the number that we created, which is 222, and then we'll make it default, and then make it save. So now we'll create a route pattern. So we'll go to call routing, route hunt, route group, and find, then we'll create a new one. CUC route group. Okay, then we'll select this, add to the group. So if you have multiple CUCM, you just select the top down also, but now I only want CUCM that's on. So but anyways, I will just put the same like that. I'll click save. Then we'll go to call routing, route hunt. We'll go to route list, find, then we'll create a new one. We'll name it as CUC route list. I will just copy and paste. For the description, you can put whatever you want. Pub to sub, I will use this one that I created before. Save. So here from the route, when you save it, it will show this one. So you just select the CUC route group and then default call manager. Okay, everything is okay. And then click save. Okay. And then also check this one on all active. Click save. And then click save. Okay, now we'll go to create a route pattern. So here, route pattern, find, add new. I'll just put the 2222. I will go on the internal partition. Okay, and then for the route list, I will select the CUC route list, and then we will uncheck the provide outside dial tone, then click save. Save, just double check. Okay, now we are finished on the Cisco call manager. So we will move to Cisco Unity Connection server. 10 to 12. The IP is 12. 12.12. Advance, proceed. Cisco Unity connection, and then you must log in, admin, then click login. So we'll create a phone system, we'll create a port group, and then we will create a port. Okay, so we'll find the phone system, a little bit bottom, phone system, click this, and we'll click this phone system. And then I will create this, like I will just put Jubil phone system. So after that I will click save. Then I will click the port group, we'll find, add new, and then Jubil. Okay, we'll choose zip. Okay, and then Jubil, and then we'll put the IP address of the Cucm 10.17.12.10. Am I right? Wait a minute. Yeah, correct. And then I will click save. It will show additional menu. Okay, we'll just So if you have more than one call manager, you can add it here. So 10.70.12.11. Okay, and then save. 5060, 5061, save. One or more port groups need to be reset. Then we'll go back to phone system. Then we'll click this. Bakit magkaiba kami? Phone system. Display name. So right here, we need to click the port system, and then you have to check the register with zip server, and then it is required for the reset. Wait a minute. Okay, then so check this register with zip server, and then we need to click save, and then we'll click reset. Port reset initiated. Okay, as you can see, the port cannot take the calls, it has no port, so we'll add a port. So as you can see here, click go. So at this time I will just use I'll just 2 just for testing. And then after that, this one should be checked, and then click save. So we're done. So in the summary, as you can see on the summary here, we already create these things. We create this phone system, we create a phone system, we create a port group, and we create the port. So we are now ready to go, and then we'll do the testing.